Episode 1. How about what really killed the dinosaurs? 66 million years ago, the Earth belonged to giants. Then, in what was almost the blink of an eye, they were gone. Not one city collapsed, not one nation fell, an entire world disappeared. But how do creatures that ruled the planet for over 160 million years lose everything? Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that every elephant, whale, lion, eagle, and tiger on Earth had vanished overnight. It would be the greatest catastrophe in human history. Now multiply that by millions, because that's what happened to the dinosaurs. For centuries, their fossils have whispered the same haunting question. Not who they were, but what ended them. For a long time, scientists believed they simply became weaker, unable to survive a changing world. It sounded reasonable, until the rocks themselves told a completely different story. Picture a peaceful afternoon in what is now North America. Towering forests stretch beyond the horizon. A massive Tyrannosaurus walks through the trees. Small mammals hide beneath fallen logs. Nothing seems unusual. Then, a distant light appears in the sky, brighter than Venus, brighter than the moon, growing larger every second. It wasn't a star. It wasn't a comet passing by. It was a mountain-sized asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers wide, racing toward Earth at around 70,000 kilometers per hour. There was no warning, no escape, just one unstoppable collision. But strangely, for decades no one knew it had ever happened, until a thin layer of rock changed everything. In 1980, physicist Luis Alvarez and geologist Walter Alvarez made an astonishing discovery. Around the world, rocks marking the end of the dinosaur age contained unusually high amounts of iridium. On Earth's surface, iridium is rare, but in asteroids, it's common. The same mysterious layer appeared in Italy, Spain, New Zealand, North America, even Antarctica. It was as though the entire planet had been dusted with extraterrestrial fingerprints. There was only one problem. No one could find the crater. Had an asteroid really struck Earth, or was there another explanation? Then, scientists found a scar hidden beneath the forests and oceans of Mexico. Buried beneath the Yucatan Peninsula lies the Chicxulub Crater. Nearly 180 kilometers wide, one of the largest impact craters ever discovered. It matched the age of the dinosaur extinction almost perfectly. Suddenly, the impossible became undeniable. When the asteroid struck, the energy released was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The ground vaporized instantly. A wall of molten rock shot into space. Shockwaves circled the planet. Mega tsunamis raced across ancient oceans. Wildfires ignited thousands of kilometers away. For anything nearby, there was no tomorrow. But here's the twist. The impact itself wasn't what killed most dinosaurs. What happened next was even worse. The explosion hurled trillions of tons of dust, ash, and vapor high into the atmosphere. Within days, the skies darkened. Sunlight struggled to reach the ground. Temperatures dropped. Plants began to die. Without plants, plant-eating dinosaurs starved. Without prey, the hunters followed. Entire food chains collapsed like rows of falling dominoes. Some scientists also point to enormous volcanic eruptions in present-day India, known as the Deccan Traps. These eruptions had already been releasing gases that altered the climate long before the asteroid arrived. Today, many researchers think it wasn't a single disaster, but two catastrophes working together. A planet already under stress delivered one final, devastating blow. Here's the part most people never realize. The asteroid didn't wipe out all life. Around 75% of Earth's species disappeared, but 25% survived. Tiny mammals hidden underground, crocodilians resting in rivers, turtles, insects, and a small group of feathered dinosaurs that refused to vanish. Their descendants are still with us today. Every pigeon soaring above a city, every eagle gliding through mountain air, every sparrow outside your window carries the legacy of the dinosaurs. In a way, the age of dinosaurs never completely ended. It simply changed its form. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled a world that seemed unshakable. Yet their reign ended because of a chain of events no creature could have predicted. It reminds us of something deeply humbling. Dominance doesn't guarantee survival. Sometimes, history changes because of a single moment, a single rock, a single impact, and life begins again. The Earth moved on. Evolution found a new path. Eventually, that path led to us. Perhaps our greatest strength isn't intelligence, it's learning from a planet that has already survived unimaginable endings. But here's a question that changes everything. If dinosaurs were almost wiped out, why do scientists keep saying they're not actually gone? Could some dinosaurs have survived? Not hidden in remote jungles, but in plain sight, every single day. That's the mystery we'll uncover next on How About How. How about dinosaurs still exist today?